Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All The Smoke. Today, I'm going to keep it real short. I'm going to show you guys how to make my barbecue rub. Essentially, I put this on all my meat, my beef, my pork, my chicken, whatever it may be. This is like my go-to seasoning. Hopefully you love the ingredients, hopefully you love the seasoning, the flavors. Play around with it, give me feedback. Let me know how you guys have enhanced it essentially. Let's do this. All right, so I got my mixing bowl here. Keep it real easy, keep it real simple. I got a fork just to kind of keep things going. Essentially, I got my prime seasonings. I got my paprika, I got soft brown sugar, and I have the Demerara sugar. Pretty much these two go in first. Bam! Now, box. Awesome. See, that gives me about pretty much about half of my container. You can play around with the ingredients in terms of quantity. What I've given you will give you pretty much about half of this, and that's pretty much it. With this done, we close it up, give it a shake. Bam! Barbecue rub number one. I got two other ones that I really like, but this is like my go-to. This is what I put on my pork, what I put on my beef, even on my chicken. This is pretty awesome. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you enjoy it. As always, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you change it up. Let's keep cooking.